How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can change the language on League of Legends. So if you actually navigate through the game itself and then click on the gear icon, unfortunately, the setting is not going to be inside this page right here. So the first thing that you want to do is to just open up your League of Legends game, or I mean launcher, which is going to be Riot Games. And while you're at it, just make sure that you exit out of League of Legends first. From there, just wait for this to say play again, making sure that it's closed out successfully. And then let's head over to our account icon, click on setting, and simply inside the League of Legends game, we have the game text language. Just simply click on it, select your preferred language, and from there you should be good to go. I believe it will update for a couple of seconds, and that's going to be it. Launch the game, and you're good to basically change it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.